Next, we're going to look at ways to just release tension from the spine. So we're going to do like a wavy spine. So I want you to become aware of how is your body moving. Can you move your pelvis, your rib cage, and your head as if you're a piece of seaweed or a branch in the wind, and just let your body kind of swing and sway from side to side. And you might notice my lower back is a little bit stiff this morning. This is absolutely amazing for releasing tension from my lower back. And it just again calms your whole nervous system down. It's absolutely amazing for making you feel centered, calm. You can even do it standing up. You bend your knees slightly as you do that, and just do that for 30 seconds and away you go.